Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Davita P. Thank you so much for joining me. You will notice my sound quality might be lower than normal, and that has to do with not using a microphone. I've been moving things around here and there, so I don't have the microphone on me right now. So you might not hear me properly. Just bear with me for right now in this video. Hopefully in the future videos you will be able to hear me better. So it's been a while since I've posted a new video, probably about a month, and I'm getting back in the game, so that's really good. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about reselling, and I have a few tips for you right after this. So I have a few tips to share with you, and really just doing some research and finding out the new products to resell. And in the future I will be making more videos on reselling, so I just wanted to share that with you. And let me know in the comments below, would you like to see more reselling videos? What do you want to see? What kind of products? So let's get into it. I want to show you this article that I came across. For some reason my video is not on the screen. Okay, I'm not sure why my video anyway, so I can't get my video back on the screen, but it's okay. You can see the website that I'm on right now. It's a Cloudways blog, and it's showing us here 50 top trending products to sell online at your e-commerce and drop shipping stores. But just in general, even if you don't have an online store, you could be using these same products to sell online, even if it's on a third-party platform. So it says here, let's read this first paragraph, what it says here. So trending products to sell in 2020, a majority of e-commerce stores fail because they can't find trending products to sell online. With so many products already available in the market, finding one that sells the best has become an arduous task, especially when there is endless competition and every second e-commerce store is trying to follow the same strategy. In such a scenario, do you know what will make you more money? Being unique, staying alert, and experimenting more often. That is true. And also trying new things. I think being unique, trying new things is important to stay afloat. So let's see here. I just want to go over a few products here. They're on this list, trending products to sell online in 2020. So they have portable blender as number 1. So let's take a look at that. So it says here a portable blender is great for fitness enthusiasts, and the trend to stay fit is rising in 2020. Okay, so let's actually do an analysis on portable blender. I have eBay open, but I was going to show you this previously, but let's just type in portable blender. Okay, there it is, and let's try to find out. These are all selling, but I want to know if this item was actually sold within the last few days. So I am clicking on sold items. Usually when you click on sold items on your phone, on the app, the eBay app, this would automatically be checked, but I'll just leave it like that for now, and I will press X. Make sure it was not, oh, because I didn't click on this button here. It was not highlighted properly. Okay, so today is what day? Today's the 18th. So they're showing me here that this small electric stick blender just sold for $18.98 today. The same with this one, Oyster on-the-go personal blender that sold today. Portable juice electric USB rechargeable that looks similar to the one we saw on this website, something similar. That sold $29.99. This one sold. So let's count up how many sold today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 personal blenders, all different kinds, sold today. So that's a good product to sell. Seems popular. That seems like a good item to sell. So let's take a look here. What's number 2? Spider nail gel. So I haven't heard of this, but I know nail products are very popular, and it says here you can get them on AliExpress to sell for $6 to $8 easily. So let's see, spider nail gel. Copy, let's go to paste, paste that out, and oops, I copied it twice. So spider nail gel, again, I'm showing on the listings. Let me just go back here. So I'm showing on the listings what was sold today. Let's count up how many orders were placed, how many of these items were sold. So today, so we got this one, 1424, 12 pieces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these items were sold today. They seem like they're doing okay. Seems like an okay product. And the personal blender obviously sold more, double. That seems like a good trending product. So let's keep going. There's masks, there's phone lenses. I've seen that a lot. Inflatable colors. That seems good. So the other thing I want to show you. So this is actually a really good list. If you want to take a look at it, I will include the link below in the description. I'll include that link so you can take a look at the full list. Seems like really good things that you can take a look at and kind of sell. Also, you know that I love to use Mercari when I sell, and there's actually a really good feature on Mercari. Let me see if I can open that up now. Let's go to Mercari, and if you don't have Mercari, again, I will include the link below and you can take a look at the items that are selling. So let's take a look here. Weekly picks, home decor. So let's keep going. So it says see what's selling. This is what's selling right now. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so if we go to Mercari right now, and you click on that, and it says what has sold. You want to see what's sold. So if, let's say you're in the toy category, the toys and collectible category, these are the items that just sold. So let's look at the first 12. For these boxes here are the first 12. And let's see which item is actually the most popular. And I can see it right off the bat. So the first one here is original Pokemon cards. The second is a doll, American Doll. Okay, so that's popular. Pokemon, so 2 for 2 for Pokemon, 3 Pokemon. Is that Pokemon? No, not true. Pokemon. That's a Disney item, Lego item. Pokemon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, check out the price tag. $7.50 for that. So Pokemon seems to be very popular here. Let's see what else. Let's see number of likes. Let's do some research here. Let's see what the number of likes are. No results. Okay, that's pretty bad. Okay, let's go back. Not what I was looking for. Okay, so best match. Okay, so we know Pokemon cards. Let's look at the third line here. So Funko seems to be a very popular brand. It's 3 items so far. Another Pokemon, Lego. Okay. So American Girl, Pokemon, Funko, those 3 are very, very popular items. I'm not saying that they're the only ones that are popular, but they pretty much stand out and seems to be selling like hotcakes on here. So this is something that you should really look at, research. You know, if you're going out to a swap meet, you're going out to a flea market, or you're going out to a yard sale, take a look at this. Take a look at this and see if you find any of these items out there, and just make sure that they're legitimate, that they are in good condition, and that they are actually resellable. Hope you enjoyed that part, and let's move on to the next one. What I wanted to show you was what I typed in originally here is Care Bears. Now, Care Bears, you can see these are all these Care Bears sold today. Keep going, October 18th. They're all on there. Look at all these Care Bear items. All these Care Bears. They are super, super, super popular, and people are buying these. There's other resellers that are buying these Care Bears and reselling them. So if you type in Care Bears collector set right here, these little, they're so adorable. People are buying them up and reselling them, and that's also a very hot item. Look how many of these are sold within the past few weeks. They've been selling like hotcakes. So do your research and really try to find out what's trending. Not saying you can't sell what you have. Try to sell what you have, but also find out some new trending products that that you can sell in the long run. They are really your bread and butter. That's what I wanted to show you, how to check a few things on how to check what's sold on eBay, and to see how quickly your item can sell, and where you can find new trending products. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I will be creating more videos and posting them. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now. Thank you so much. Bye.